Hello everyone, I hope you're good. I'm out here on this Sunday morning with the DJI Avata 2 again. I brought it to the woods this time. Just want to have a bit of a fly around, just bring up a few things as well which I've blatantly forgotten in the other two videos because I'm freestyling this. So the first thing I want to talk about this morning is these goggles. Now I've grown to really like them. Well, I liked them as soon as I got them out of the box, but a while ago I was dead set on keeping the V2s for as long as possible. I really do like those goggles. They are solid goggles. However, since owning these, I would say I'm absolutely loving the image quality. They're much more compact, and basically the way they sit on your face is pretty much spot on as well, I find. And the other thing is the convenience, because although having a separate battery and a cable isn't really too much of a big deal, it's something which is shaving some time off the setting up process, and everything is just seeming a bit quicker and a bit more convenient, and that is something that I like when I go out to a location and maybe I'm not there just to have a fun flight, maybe I'm there to get a job done. So that's always helpful. The defog feature should be incredibly useful as well, especially for people who live in really hot countries. Maybe even in the UK if we get a really good summer, who knows. Just a quick disclaimer from me on this one. I noted at the start of the first impressions video, not sponsored by DJI, and whilst true, since then they have sent me some affiliate links to use on videos such as this regarding their products. I don't have any issue with that at all because I've been buying them for a number of years now and I would be using them daily if it wasn't for the weather. So that's absolutely fine by me. Now, if you would like to help this small channel grow in any way, and I've helped you and my information is useful, then if you would consider using the affiliate links in the descriptions, that would be absolutely brilliant of you, but absolutely no pressure whatsoever. Just want to give a random mention to this new tripod as well, which I got yesterday by, it looks like it's spelt Niwa, but I think they actually pronounce it Newer. But it's solid. It's a video tripod. My Lumix S5IIx is on the top of it right now, and it's brilliant. Right, back to the drone. Okay, so the Avata 2 is definitely quieter with a different pitch to the DJI Avata 1. That thing screamed. It absolutely howled. Like, for example, the other day, I managed to have a quick sunset flight in my neighborhood without bothering anyone with the Avata 2. I mean, I wasn't in the air for very long, but I just kind of swooped down through the kind of cul-de-sac and up over the trees. There was a couple of people walking past, and I think they probably just thought, oh look, drone. Whereas with the Avata 1, if I'd have done that around the neighborhood, they would have gone, what the is that? You know what I mean? So that's also a good thing. It's a brilliant thing, in fact, that it's much quieter. I just want to say as well that I'm not being dismissive at all towards using the Motion Controller 3 or any motion controller for that matter. It's just I gravitate towards flying in manual, so that is something that I've just gone for straight away. But if you want me to try it out, I will do a video on it at some point. Just let me know in the comments or whatever. I mean, it might be funny because I'll probably be terrible at it. I mean, I think that to me so far, my opinion on it, having not used it, it looks great for people that are either starting or they just want the experience of seeing it through the goggles, but having something easy to fly that they can quickly relate to. I would say that if you're serious about getting into flying FPV at all, then maybe quickly jump to the RC and start practicing on that, because you kind of need to get into the mentality of having that controller and what the sticks do. Even between, flying it like a Mavic in GPS mode and flying it in manual, there's a big difference, let alone having a totally different style of controller. So just be aware of that. But I think it does look like something that is fun, and I think it's intuitive, and I'm happy to make a video about it if you want me to. Right guys, here we go. Let's go through the woods and hopefully not crash. Wow, it looks pretty cool. My spotter should be at the other end near the opening, which is where I'm going to sort of fly out of the trees. Hopefully not too much in view in case I want to use the shot for something. Yeah. Bit of tree surfing. My hands are actually really cold now because I've been out here for a while. Does look pretty good up here around all these trees, doesn't it? I've not got a particularly high camera angle at the moment. Down through the trees. Really am enjoying this. Quite a nice place this is, to be honest. It's all good. Yeah, just going steady through these trees for a minute. Definitely don't want to be hooning it. My hands and fingers are still cold. Well, I'll say they're still cold. They're not exactly going to be getting any warmer. Just have a meander. Right, I think it's time to bring it in. That'll be it for now, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed it or found something useful, or both. I always have fun making these things, as I've experienced so far. So hope you have a great rest of the day, whatever you're up to. I'm going to be shooting an unboxing later on, so that'll be plenty to edit for me. Please don't forget about the affiliate links if you're interested in any DJI stuff. Take care all. Looking forward to speaking to you again soon.